pachokae kamachielo jakom riwruok matayo tuke mago mag ng'wech pachokae Jackson Tuwei olero ni piem mag kor gwenge mong'ere kaka cross country ma ibiro bagi odiochieng' makiny alap ma Eldoret Sports ibiro tigodo kaka achiel kuom tuke ma itimo godo ikruok ni piem mago ma Tokyo. Bang' piem mag cross country rumo ayanga Eldoret odiochieng' makiny, riwruok mano mar Athletics Kenya biro chako tielo mokwongo mag piem mag chuny park kata mago mayongo ni track and field games ibiro bagi tarik 15 e alap mano ma Mumia Sports Complex. Gwenge 12 biro rakore e tielo mogik mano mag cross country.
From the regions and the affiliates, and we have got the big names coming to participate in this event. This event also is a build-up, as you all know that we are all heading to Tokyo for the World Championship, and it is an event that after this one, it ushers in the other events for the track and field.
You can see even the hills, the man-made hills which are there. They are very green, they are more, and these are the challenges which a cross-country requires. So it's beautiful. And the course being very close to the town, it's very convenient for everybody to come and really watch a national event.
The entries have been done. We closed entries yesterday on Tuesday midnight, and now we are ready. The start list is being worked on, but we want to assure the public that we have a gallery of stars, cross-country stars who will be here.